Let's talk about something wild, using a vacuum to literally heal wounds from the outside in.
You know how some wounds just refuse to close? They can become chronic and get really serious.
So what if the answer isn't a new pill, but a vacuum? It sounds kind of sci-fi, right?
Well, this is it. It's called negative pressure wound therapy. Let's break down how it works.
Basically, you've got a special foam dressing, a film to seal it, and a little vacuum pump. Okay, so here's the cool part. This therapy works on two completely different scales.
On the big scale, the vacuum physically pulls the wound edges closer together, shrinking the gap.
And we're talking about a contraction of up to 1.2 millimeters every single day.
But now, let's zoom way in, right down to the microscopic cellular level.
That foam creates a tiny stretch on the cells, between 5 to 15%. It's their wake-up call. The cells feel that physical pull, which tells their command center, hey, time to heal and divide.
But it's not just about the squeeze. It also completely overhauls the wound's environment.
It sucks out all the excess fluid that causes swelling and just gets in the way of healing.
And get this, it actually tells the body to build new supply lines, brand new blood vessels.
These new vessels are an absolute game changer, bringing in oxygen and all the good stuff. Of course, a huge part of healing is fighting off the bad guys, infection and inflammation.
Now, the standard version is so-so with bacteria, but at a rinse cycle, it crushes them.
It also tells the body's internal alarm system to calm down, switching key cells into healing mode. All right, all of this leads us to the main event, actually rebuilding brand new tissue.
This new stuff is called granulation tissue. It's like the scaffolding for the final repair job. And the results are massive. NPWT can boost this new tissue growth by a whopping 63%. So you see, it's not just one thing. It's a whole symphony of healing actions working together.
It really makes you wonder, what else can our bodies do with just the right physical push?